Well, I've got all the dirt spread out now and raked out. Still got a few piles over there to pick up, but most of the job is done. I have one little bit left in the pile out there, but I'm going to have to wait until September to plant grass. Funny thing is, the grass seeds that were in the dirt that I moved are starting to sprout. You can see little bits of green all over the place out there. And for the longest time, I had no grass growing in this area. Nothing. Dead, totally flat, lifeless dirt. But a lot of hard work was paying off. The clay and sand that was what the dirt was without this topsoil on it wouldn't support grass. Just absolutely wouldn't. There were a couple of little sprigs of grass here and there. Now, with the topsoil spread out, I can see the grass that was there, and I've got a little bit over here too. The grass that was there is actually growing better. It's acting like the dirt is fertilizer. So that's a good thing. Sadie's having fun sniffing everything. And I'm pleased that the yard has turned out so well. These pine trees are tough on ground. They put a herbicide into the dirt around their roots, and they also shade everything out. So hopefully this is going to work and I'm going to have grass. Been trying for 10 years. I put topsoil on this twice. But this is the first time that I've actually had really good mulch to put on it. The mulch had sat out there behind the barns for a couple of years. I didn't even take any mulch off the top of the pile last year. So it's been there a couple of years, decomposed a lot more. Hopefully it's going to work. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.